Few things are more transformative for creating delicious vegetables than a quick roast in the oven. Combined here with wintertime flavors, this healthy quinoa salad can be served warm or cold and is hearty and utterly addicting in the very best way. We'll first prepare our sweet potatoes by peeling them and then cutting them into dice and adding them to a sheet pan. We'll also slice half of a red onion down the middle and then cut it into thick slices and add that to the pan as well. We'll add some olive oil, a generous pinch of sea salt, and ground black pepper, and toss everything together. And we'll roast the vegetables for 30 to 40 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, tossing once or twice halfway through cooking until the vegetables are very tender and lightly browned. At some point while the vegetables are cooking, we can also toast some pecans by spreading them out in a pie tin and toasting them for 5 to 7 minutes. We'll let them cool and then chop them up. We'll also cook some quinoa by combining the dry grain with some water in a pot, bringing everything to a boil, and then simmering over low heat until all the liquid has evaporated. We'll let this rest for 15 minutes and then fluff with a fork. To make the salad, we'll strip down some kale, discarding the stems and chopping up the leaves, and add them to a large salad bowl. We'll also mince some fresh parsley and add that to the kale. We'll add a little cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then massage this together by hand to tenderize the kale and distribute the dressing ingredients. Now we can add our cooked quinoa, roasted vegetables, dried cranberries, as well as some chopped pecans, and give everything one final toss to finish off this beautiful medley. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, please give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.